Baik, selamat pagi semua. Kami dari kelompok 10 minggu ketiga akan memerankan praktek sales meeting yang ketiga. Saya Salwa Nabila sebagai observer, Sahara Dwi Rusli sebagai buyer, Naila Kemala sebagai sales. Langsung saja untuk memerankan praktek sales meetingnya.
Good afternoon, Miss Wendy. Thank you very much for taking the time to meet today. I hope your day is going well.
Good afternoon to you too. Yes, it's been quite busy, but everything is fine. Thank you for being on time.
Glad to hear it, ma'am. Before we begin, let me say how much we at PT KLSOL truly value the opportunity to collaborate with company ABC. I personally find it quite inspiring how your company has managed to maintain high quality standard amid global competition, especially in the oil and gas sector.
Thank you. We do strive to maintain consistent quality, especially with our ongoing expansion plans.
May I confirm, ma'am, that the current measurement process on the production line still uses an older generation semi-manual CMM machine?
Yes, that's correct. We still rely on the old machines. Most of the measurement data is still input manually.
I understand. Has that ever caused issues with speed and accuracy, especially when production volume increases?
Yes, sometimes the measurement results are unstable and inspection take longer.
I see. So that could affect the delivery schedule on even the quality of the final product that will be shipped to overseas clients, right?
Exactly. We have to maintain our reputation, so QC accuracy and speed are priorities.
So if there is a system that can speed up the inspection process while maintaining consistency in the result, it will greatly help your team maintain timeless and the trust of expert customers.
Yes, that's what we're looking for actually.
Okay, ma'am. Based on previous discussions with the purchasing team, I would like to introduce the MTY Mr. 555, a high precision measurement system that we recommend to support ABC's export expansion project. First, the machine is equipped the CNC CMM base unit to automatic controller, which makes the measurement process fast and precise. Oper- Operators no longer need to make many manual adjustments, so the results are consistent even at high volumes. This can cut inspection time by up to 40%. Second, the device use MCOS Level 1 software, which can process the display measurement data semi-automatically in accordance with ISO 10360 standards. This means that all inspection results can be immediately reported in a format recognized for export audits. And third, we provide all full year full 3-year maintenance contract, including preventive service, annual collaboration, and the availability of replacement machine during the maintenance period. That way, you don't have to worry about downtime on the production line.
Interesting. So so this system can help us increase speed while maintaining international standard.
Exactly, ma'am. Essentially, we want to help ABC improve quality control efficiency, maintenance, product reliability, and speed up the production cycles so that export deliveries are more timely.
I like the concept, but there's one thing, the assembly and delivery time from KLSOL is said to be around 5 weeks, while competitors can do it in less than 4 weeks. That's quite significant for us.
I completely understand, ma'am. And that is indeed a common question. Our time is slightly longer because each Mr. 555 undergoes individual calibration and testing according to ISO 10360 standards before shipping. So when it arrives at your factory, the equipment is ready to use without the need for readjustment. The time difference is indeed minimal, but in terms of quality and operational red lines, our system can be used immediately with full accuracy. So even though it may seem a bit longer at the start, the project is actually completed faster overall because there is no additional time needed for rec- recalibration or initial repairs.
All right, that makes sense. We do prioritize long-term stability over just being fast at the beginning.
So, for the next step, we will send you a complete written proposal that includes the installation schedule, after sales service details, and ROI simulation so that the finance team can review the overall investment value. Would you be willing to schedule a follow-up meeting next week with you and Mr. Sandy, the finance director, so we can discuss the commercial aspects in more details?
Yes, I think that's a good idea. We would also like to see the ROI calculation.
Sure, ma'am. We will prepare the data in detail so that the discussion will be more efficient. Thank you very much for your time and for this opportunity. We hope that KLSOL can become a long-term partner for ABC in supporting in export expansion.
Thank you as well. I look forward to the final proposal.
You're welcome, Miss Wendy. Have a nice day.
Baik, saya sebagai observer akan mengevaluasi spin selling simulation. Yang pertama itu ada opening, observasi pembukaan dilakukan dengan sopan dan profesional, seperti selamat siang Ibu Wendy, menunjukkan empati dan ketertarikan tulus pada kesibukan dan pencapaian Buyer. Ada personal touch dan apresiasi terhadap reputasi perusahaan Buyer, alur percakapan alami dan membangun keakraban sebelum masuk ke pembahasan teknis. Penilaian sangat baik, membangun suasana positif dan kredibel sejak awal. Yang kedua itu ada spin question. Yang pertama itu ada situation, pertanyaan jelas dan faktual menunjukkan riset sebelumnya. Yang kedua itu ada problem, yaitu menggali masalah aktual secara spesifik tanpa menghakimi. Yang ketiga itu ada implication, menghubungkan masalah teknis ke dampak bisnis atau strategis. Yang keempat itu ada need payoff, membuat buyer menyatakan sendiri kebutuhan atau buy-in. Penilaian umum untuk spin itu sangat efektif. Semua tahap spin dijalankan berurutan, logis, dan relevan dengan situasi buyer. Yang ketiga itu ada product presentation. Observasinya itu sales memaparkan 3 fitur utama, CNC automation, software, MOS, kontra pemeliharaan, menjelaskan keunggulan, advantage, dan manfaat langsung terhadap kebutuhan buyer, kebutuhan ISO, keandalan operasional, menggunakan data kuantitatif, memangkas waktu inspeksi hingga 40% dan bukti visual yang relevan. Penilaiannya sangat baik, presentasi jelas berfokus pada nilai bagi pelanggan, bukan hanya spesifik produk. Yang keempat itu ada objection handling. Untuk observasi, Buyer menampilkan keberatan realistis atau lead time pengiriman lebih lama. Sales merespons dengan empati dan bukti konkret, sertifikat uji dan on-time delivery. Tidak defensif, justru menekankan keunggulan jangka panjang dan kualitas. Menutup dengan pernyataan nilai yang memperkuat citra profesional. Untuk penilaian sangat baik, penanganan keberatan logis berbasis bukti dan menjaga hubungan positif. Yang kelima itu ada closing. Observasinya, sales mengarahkan percakapan menuju langkah selanjutnya dengan jelas. Seperti, kami akan mengirimkan proposal lengkap, mengajak buyer untuk pertemuan lanjutan dengan pihak keuangan, menunjukkan orientasi tidak lanjut. Penutup, sopan, dan ramah. Penilaian baik sekali, closing natural, tidak memaksa, dan menegaskan komitmen untuk memflow up. Yang terakhir itu ada overall realisme atau flow. Observasi umum, dialog terasa realistis, mengalir alami seperti pekerjaan bisnis profesional. Tidak kaku atau terlalu skrip. Ada keseimbangan antara mendengarkan dan menjelaskan. Struktur spin terlihat jelas tanpa terasa dipaksakan. Penilaian sangat baik, alur logis, hubungan interpersonal kuat, dan sesuai praktik profesional sales B2B. Baik, sebelumnya apabila ada salah kata yang kurang berkenan, mohon dimaafkan. Kami dari kelompok 10 mengucapkan terima kasih dan sampai jumpa.